Hey there, Emmy here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your perfume or your scent last all day. I have my notes right here, so let's just get into it. A lot of people say that it starts in the shower. I think yes, but also not really. If you're doing it for the vibes because your body wash actually washes off and it's not meant to stay on your skin, if you have a body wash that actually lasts and sticks to your body even after you leave the body, even after you leave the shower, I would love to know. Please don't leave your body, but I would love to know if you have such a body wash. What I think really matters is your lotion. Your lotion can be scented or unscented, but I personally prefer to have a scented lotion because it adds another layer of perfume into my combo. Well, this has velvety cocoa, vanilla marshmallow, sugared amber, and I know that if I'm using a vanilla it's like a vanilla or a gourmand that day, then trust me, I'm gonna want to use this one because it's gonna keep that scent going on longer, and it's also gonna add a layer with these notes that it has, and it smells really good, and it's just an extra layer of scent. The reason we're using lotion is because we need a hydrated base. You need something for your perfume to stick to, for it to last longer, and for it to project, and for it to actually work as a perfume. If you just use it on dry skin, you're not really getting that perfume. You're not getting anything. You're just spraying perfume and it's just gonna dissipate. It has nothing to cling to, has nothing to stick to. Second step is gonna be oil. This is the holy grail. This is what started all of this. This is Choco Musk. I think we all know and love this one. It's a beautiful scent. This has vanilla, chocolate, I believe. It has amber, maybe. I don't really remember. My notebook is right there where I have the actual scents. I have a perfume journal where I put the notes for everything. So this is more vanilla. It's gourmand. It's a sweet, beautiful concentrated perfume oil, and I love this on days where I really want to smell edible, kind of, so it smells really good and it's a good base. Again, I can use these two together. It works. So you would use this on your entire body, and then you would use this over like your pulse points so that you can get more, heat helps the perfume project faster, kind of. So you can use that. Okay, let me just try and recap. Body wash doesn't really matter. If you want to, you can. Lotion, so that you can have a hydrated base and make your perfume last longer. Oil, another layer for your perfume to stick to. It can be scented, it can be unscented. If you want to use it, you don't have to. This also helps seal the hydration or the moisture from the lotion, and it kind of seals it and makes you, or keeps you hydrated for longer. Then the concentrated oil. This is where, to me at least, this is where the perfume starts, because this is perfume, so it starts here. You use this and then you go in with perfume, right? This is Power of You, and this is Anna Abiyad Passion. I love these two currently. This is what I'm wearing today, and I really love them. They smell really good. Each one, they're the same, but they're not really the same. I have opinions, but anyways, that's not what we're here for. I really use these and I overspray. I'm not saying overspray as in just because. I personally like to overspray because I have certain perfumes that are just weaker, and I feel like by overspraying I get more longevity from those perfumes, and that's what I want. So it depends on your perfume. If it's an oud, if it's something thicker, if it's something more on the oudy woody side, if it's a gourmand, most of those are usually just, they kind of last longer because of the oud, vanilla kind of. But if it's more on the fruity or on the floral side, you might not get that much longevity from it. So you might want, you might want to get, you might want to overspray. Now, to finish off my routine, I like to use mists. I love using mists because I use them a couple of ways. I spray this all over my body, like I overspray all over my body after perfume. And I also use these. I have this one and I have this one. These two, you can spray them on your hair, and I like having scent in my hair because it just makes you, it's like an extra thing that smells good in you, it's like not just your body, not just your, your clothes, but also your hair smells good. So I like it. It's an extra step. For me, it creates a bubble, and again, more it's like you're creating layers, you know, layer 1, 2, 3, and you're unraveling as the day goes by. So unraveling layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and you're still gonna end up smelling good at the end of the day because these are a lot of layers. Let me just give you my little routine. Like for example, I take a shower, I use my Dove. Usually when I take a shower, I like using a basic scent just because it's just my preference personally. I think it's better for me, and because I don't really decide on what I'm gonna wear for the day unless I'm in front of my, you know, what are you? My shelf. Unless I'm in front of my shelf and I'm finally deciding like, oh, this is what I want to smell like today. But I don't decide beforehand most of the time. Lotion. Like for example, this summer I've been using this lotion. This is Vanilla Bliss, Bare Vanilla Bliss by Victoria's Secret. I top it off with this little oil, and it just smells like fruits. And then I have been using this Power of You by Giorgio Armani. And I also have been using an Abiyad on my clothes and like kind of overspraying everywhere. I like to smell, I like I go from head to toe, you know, like I spray, 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 and then I go down, kind of. And then I have been using Victoria's Secret White Peach Mango Feel Bright on my hair and again, the rest of my body. I love this, creates a bubble. It smells very exotic and it smells very rich for some reason. Like it does say bright but also rich at the same time. So that's kind of my routine. That's kind of what I do. Just a few things. If you want your perfume to last longer, you don't have to follow these steps exactly. Just do the basics. Lotion for hydrated skin, oil if you want, or you just need something for the perfume to stick to. But I'm just saying, if you want a long lasting, like all day, like morning till night, till you like go to sleep and or take a shower, this is what works for me. If you have any more tips, or if you think I could do something better, I would love to know. You know, I could steal your ideas. Just kidding, actually I could borrow them, but you get the gist. Yeah, I think that's all I have. And I hope you have a beautiful layering and a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe and have fun. Take care. Bye bye.